Hey guys, welcome back with another training video. Guys, in this video, we will discover how can you set up eye tracking in your iPhone. So simply, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, here's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then, guys, you may click here on General and click on Software Update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest version. Then, guys, you may go back and you may click here. So click here on accessibility, click here guys, and here is the option of eye tracking. So you may click here and you may check guys, this is turn on from here. Now you may just wait for some second, so you can set up here easily. You should follow the dots. So guys, you may check guys, you can use through your eyes. So you may let's check guys, you can use your iPhone through your eyes. So you may check I am controlled my iPhone through my eyes. So when you select or when you try to click, you may focus for some second on that and you may check as there will be click. So let's check. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily and you can set up your eye tracking in your iPhone easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.